Hey, what's up guys, Mr. Fix-It here. I just want to do a short video on this Polaris. It's got the 400. Now these 400s from the 90s and early 2000s, these are two-stroke engines. So there's no engine oil change. What you have is an oil injection pump down here, and this is where you put the two-cycle oil. Or what a lot of people do is pre-mix their gas and just, you know, delete that or not use it. So a lot of frequently asked questions is, how do you change or drain the oil on this? So I'm going to go under the machine here. Okay, this is the left side, this is the right side of the machine. So you got drain screws. So this one right here, this one is for the engine crankcase. There should be no oil in this. This is only for the if the engine gets submerged or if it's severely flooded, that you would pull that out. Now this one here, this is for the balance shaft oil. Now there should be oil in this. It's about 100 cc's of oil. That's where you drain that. So if you look all the way over here to the right side of the machine, this is for the pull start cover. And again, this should be empty. This is only here in case the engine gets submerged in water. There's also one more drain. If you get water in this, you're going to want to drain the starter. So the starter has a drain here. So you've got the crankcase, should be empty. The balance shaft oil should have 100 cc's of oil in it. You have the pull start cover in case it got flooded, and you have the starter drain in case it got flooded in water. Alright, I hope that cleared a few things up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.